Best online platforms for finding music production gigs. If you're a music producer looking for ways to find gigs online, you're in luck. The internet is packed with platforms where you can showcase your skills, connect with clients, and land exciting projects. Whether you're just starting or an experienced pro, these platforms can help you grow your career. SoundBetter is one of the most popular websites for music producers, singers, and audio engineers. Visit SoundBetter. It's like a giant marketplace where clients post projects and hire talent. You can create a profile to show off your work, set your rates, and get reviews from past clients. The better your reviews, the more likely you attract new gigs. Upwork isn't just for writers and graphic designers. Visit Upwork. It's also a fantastic place for music producers. Clients are looking for original beats, mixing, mastering, and even podcast editing. Since it's a freelance platform, you'll need to write proposals to land jobs, but once you build a solid reputation, the gigs start to flow in. If you like the idea of setting up shop and letting clients come to you, Fiverr is a great choice. Visit Fiverr. You can offer specific services like, I'll mix and master your song, or I'll create a custom beat. Fiverr is great for producers who know what they're best at and want to focus on that. AirGigs is similar to SoundBetter, but smaller and more focused on musicians and producers. Visit AirGigs. It's a fantastic place to offer services like recording, editing, and mixing. The platform attracts serious clients, so it's ideal for professionals who are ready to dive into high-quality projects. Number 5, Instagram. Okay, so Instagram isn't exactly a gig platform, but hear me out. If you use it the right way, it can be a goldmine for finding work. Post short clips of your music, behind-the-scenes videos, and client testimonials. Use hashtags like music producer or beatmaker to attract potential clients. You'd be surprised how many artists and brands use Instagram to find talent. Number 6, Compose. Compose is a unique platform where musicians and producers from around the world collaborate on projects. Visit Compose. It's not only a fun way to meet new people, but also a great place to build your portfolio. Once you've shown your skills on a few collaborations, paying gigs often follow. Number 7, Facebook groups. Don't underestimate the power of Facebook groups. Look for groups related to music production, independent artists, or audio engineering. Many people post job opportunities in these groups, and networking with other members can lead to gigs. 8, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is another surprising but effective platform for finding music production gigs. It's especially useful for connecting with corporate clients who need jingles, ad music, or podcasts. Make sure your profile highlights your skills and experience in music production. Number 9, YouTube. Like Instagram, YouTube isn't a direct gig platform, but it can work wonders for your career. Create videos that showcase your production skills or tutorials on how you create your beats. Add a link to your website or contact info in the description so clients can reach out to you. 10, Freelancer. Freelancer is another platform where you can bid on projects. Visit Freelancer. Clients post jobs, and you submit proposals explaining why you're the best fit. It takes some effort to stand out, but it's worth it if you're serious about finding steady work. Finding gigs online takes patience and persistence, but it's possible. Here are a few extra tips to keep in mind. Build a strong portfolio. Make sure you have examples of your best work ready to show clients. Be professional. Respond to inquiries quickly, meet deadlines, and always deliver high-quality work. Stay active. Regularly update your profiles, post new content, and engage with your audience. With the right approach, these platforms can help you take your music production career to the next level. Happy gig hunting!